So what are the expectations for your blog entries? What am I looking for? Well, again, the rubric is up here, right? And you can go ahead and click on that, or go to your student folder and look at the blog entry rubric, and at least 4 paragraphs, conversational tone, communicates what was learned that week, struggles and triumphs. There are at least 2 videos that are included in your presentation video, and at least 2 images that you're going to be using to illustrate your narrative. Of course, no grammatical errors or spelling errors, and paragraphs are separated by a blank line, which is kind of tricky on Blogger, so you're going to have to learn how to do that. And videos and images have a blank line above and below them, which is kind of tricky, so you're going to have to learn how to do that as well. Videos fit within the page because your videos can be sized to be greater than the size of the page, so you want to make sure that doesn't happen. And I think I'll go ahead and put together a how-to video on how to get all of this stuff done here, right? And so now you might be thinking, okay, well, I want to see an example of a blog entry. And so if you go here to my sample, it's sr@caltech.blogspot.com. You can see that I have a entry for what I did, and let's say the 2D array entry was like the central assignment. So I talk a little bit about what I learned about Caltech and have a corresponding image, then my 2D array assignment with a video that I used to build my understanding, a little bit about the concept map assignment that we were introduced to, a couple of illustrations, more talking about how a 2D array is iterated through, and then what I have here at the bottom is my presentation video for my 2D array. Of course, this does not have to be your presentation video, but one of the rubrics is to have at least 2 YouTube videos, so that would be, I guess, appropriate, but also not necessary, right, if you have a different video that you want to use in your blog entry. And that's about it. So this was what a blog entry should look like, and it's once a week is when they're going to be due, on Saturday night. And yeah, at the end of the course, you're going to have a good amount of these blog entries, and these blog entries should reference the concept map very frequently, because that's the bulk of the work that we're going to be doing, and should bring insight to those who are interested in what you studied throughout the year once we get to the end of the year.